Hey guys, it's ARIBA and I'm back with another recipe for you guys, and this one is perfect for the holiday season that's coming up. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a dairy-free whipping cream. So a lot of you guys know me and my husband, we went vegan for about 6-7 months, and even though we're not vegan full-time anymore, I learned so much about the cuisine. I kind of like a lot of things in the vegan diet more so than I do in the regular world over here. So one of my favorite things that I am taking away from the diet is whipping creams. So this whipping cream is going to be made in full fat coconut milk, and it's extremely easy. All you need are 2 ingredients. You need some coconut milk and some sweetener. So today I'm going to be using maple syrup, but you can use any sweetener that you like. You can use agave, honey, powdered sugar, anything that you like. And everything else in this recipe is going to be optional. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of vanilla essence. And you can also go in with any kind of spices that you like, just to kind of, make it a little bit more fancy. So I recommend using like nutmeg or cinnamon. I'm probably going to be drizzling a little bit of cinnamon today. So the night before that you're going to be making this recipe, you're going to pop 1 can of coconut milk into the refrigerator. You want it in there for at least 8 hours. That way the cream and the water is going to separate. So I'm going to pop this open and show you guys. So when you're opening your can of coconut milk, you want to make sure that you don't shake the can at all, because right now the cream and the water is separated. And if you shake it or even drop the can, then it's pretty much over. All right, ready? Oh, what's that? Does that look yummy? So now I'm going to grab my mixing bowl, and I like to stick to metal bowls because they stay cooler longer. And you want to pop this into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before you're going to use it. And that way it just kind of helps your whipping cream to stay firmer longer while you're whisking it up in a cool bowl. So we're going to start by removing this thick, luscious coconut cream from the top. All of that good creaminess. So you guys can see when you start getting towards the bottom, you start seeing that water. We're not going to be using that water. We're just going to be using the coconut cream. So just try and remove the cream without getting any of that water. So now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
I ate all of it.
You did great. And I'm using about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So you can go in with like a manual whisk, but I recommend using an electric mix because it's going to make this so much easier. You're going to hold this super, super tight for me. Can you do that? Hold it as strong as you can. Can you do that? And because this likes to kind of fly, I like to kind of just mash it down a little bit. And then once I feel like it's not going to fly around on me, then I'm going to go ahead and start whipping it. Okay, we'll put that after, okay? Okay. Alright. Yeah, try it. How's it taste?
Good.
Yummy? What's it taste like? Vanilla? Yummy. So if you want, you can also add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to this, and you have yourself some chocolate whipped cream. So we have this dinky little pie that Aliana got from school. It's from her bake sale. And we're going to add some whipped cream on that. So this is also really good on top of like your morning latte. So you can actually go ahead and put this in a piping bag. But you guys know I love a rustic vibe. So I'm going to actually keep this nice and homey. And I'm going to use a couple of spoons just to kind of shape the whipped cream. Just going to place it on top of our gorgeous little pie here.
Spread it out so it tastes yummy here.
You want to spread it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's spread it out. Oh.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy? Pile it on, girl. Yummy? Yeah. Alright, that looks good. No, that's enough. Whoa, alright, that's enough, girl. Well, that's enough. Let's save the rest. You want to eat the rest? Alright, go for it. Do you?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
again, very optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of cinnamon on top of there just so it looks nice and homemade. And how delicious and cute is that?
How yummy is this?
How yummy. Lil, that's a lot. Can you save some for the rest of us? All right, guys, and there you have it, our 2-ingredient non-dairy whipped cream recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some love in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Bye!